Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the Dagger tutorial part 4. If you are not yet watched previous videos, previous tutorials, please watch them. Until now, we have seen a constructor dependency injection and the variable dependency injection with using inject annotation. And for getting the implementation of creation of objects, we have created a car component with component annotation, and we have just injected main activity, and this will take care about creating an objects of the variables which is having inject annotation in this main activity. Finally, we will call car.start, which will call start method and print driving. So in this video we will see a method dependency injection. Now let's create a new class as remote. Let's say this remote has a car object. And it has a method void set car. And taking car as argument, and we will set this dot car equal to car. We have created a remote class, and we will set this car void pass car to remote, and we will take remote and call remote dot set car as this. So the method dependency injection will have an inject annotation on this. So now Dagger will create a remote object, and it will pass to this function, to this method, and this car object will be passed to this remote class. And now let's execute and see the output. So here you can see remote is injected at. The main is remote cannot be provided without an inject constructor. As I have been telling that Dagger doesn't know how to create an object if it doesn't have a constructor with inject annotation. So here the Dagger is trying to create a remote object, but remote doesn't have a constructor with inject annotation. Let's have a constructor. With inject. And now let's try and execute. As you can see, now the build is successful. In car component, it will see an inject annotation to a method, and it will try to create a remote object and execute this line. And let's give a log to know whether it is entering in here or not. Pass car to remote. Let's leave it like that, this comment, and let's give a log in constructor as well. Car constructor, and let's see the order of creation of objects, whether it will create a constructor first or it will create a method first. Based on these comments, we will see what is the order of creation. So first the car object will be created using constructor, then it will do a method dependency injection, pass car to remote, and finally we are calling the start object in this main activity. So this is the method dependency injection in Dagger. We will recap what we have done. We have created a class remote with constructor with inject annotation, and we will have a car object and we are passing to set car. In car we have a method which will take remote object and pass this car object to that. So as a result, we have not called this method manually. The Dagger will identify the methods with inject annotation and it will automatically call this method by creating the parameters and execute the implementation. So this is the way of method injection in Dagger. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe my videos and channels, and please follow up for more tutorials in Dagger, and thank you for watching.